Good morning all of you. Good morning beta. Are you ready? Class 3 Oak. Class 3 Oak, are you ready beta? Okay, are you ready for the computer class? Okay, fine. Let's start now. How spend your puja holiday? I hope you all have enjoyed your holidays. Okay, fine. Let's start now. Previous class, an offline class, I discussed chapter number 4. Chapter number 4, how to insert a line and how to typing text. Okay, very good all of you. Then you all please take out your computer book and open page number 51 of chapter number 4. Chapter number 4, page number 51. Today I will discuss how to select a letter, how to select a paragraph, how to select whole document, how to select entire document. Today I will discuss with you. Okay. So you all please take out your computer book and open page number 51. Page number 51. Afreen, you cannot see. Others can see to me, beta. Others can see. Okay. And can see the board carefully. Can you listen my voice? Okay. Then Afreen, okay, very good, beta. Afreen, then you can disconnect yourself and connect again. Disconnect yourself and connect again, beta. Okay, let's start now. How to select? Previous class I discussed with you, we using the mouse how to select. How to select? By dragging the mouse you can select the line, select the letter, select the paragraph using the mouse. In this page number 51, a table has shown here how to select the text by using the various key combination from the keyboard. From the keyboard, how to select a character, how to select a letter, how to select a line, I will discuss with you. You all follow me. Open page number 51 and see the table. How to select one left character from the cursor. Suppose this is your cursor. I am a student. Your cursor is here. Now your cursor is here. If you want to select left side of the cursor, if you want to select left character from the cursor, you have to press the shift key and left arrow. There are 4 arrow keys on the keyboard, you all know, up arrow, down arrow, right arrow and left arrow. If you want to select left character of the cursor, then you have to press the shift key and left arrow together. If you press shift and left arrow together, then you can see T will be selected, left side of the cursor. Now your cursor, suppose your cursor is here between A and M. Between A and M your cursor is there. Now if you want to select M, means right side of the cursor. My cursor is between A and M. Middle there a cursor is there. If you want to select right character of the cursor, then you have to press shift and right arrow together. Shift and right arrow if you press together, then you can see M will be selected. Okay. And the next, one line up from the cursor. If you want to suppose one line up, before suppose you have written a paragraph, there is a 10 lines are there, your cursor is in 7th line, and if you want to select the 6th before line, then you have to one line up from the cursor, then shift plus up arrow. shift plus up arrow, then upper line will be selected. If you want to down, if you want to one line down from the cursor, now your cursor is number 2 line, second number line. If you want to select third number line, then shift plus down arrow, shift plus down arrow, then next line will be selected. Okay, then one thing was that till the end of the current line from the current position of the cursor, wherever is your cursor in the current position of the cursor till the end, wherever your cursor is here, but you want to select end of the line. If you want to select, Afrin, you can see, you can listen to me, reply me beta. Now if you want to select wherever your cursor in the, if you want to select end of the current line from the current position of the till end of the line, then shift plus end. Shift plus end is a key of the keyboard. Look, this is the keyboard, you can see this is the keyboard. In this keyboard, this is the keyboard, this is the end key and this is the home key. Okay, home key, shift and home key press together, end key press together, wherever your cursor hold till end of the cursor, that line will be selected, and wherever your cursor till the beginning of the current line, suppose this is a cursor in here I and M. If you want to select the rest of the part, then shift plus end. If you press, then that from the M to till end will be selected. Now if your cursor is in, suppose your cursor is here and before S, student S, before that, if you want to select the before of the cursor, beginning of the, still where is your cursor till the beginning of the cursor line from the current position of the cursor, till to beginning, then if you press shift plus home, then this portion will be selected. Okay, and till the end of the current document, wherever your cursor till, if you want to select end of the document, whole document, if you till wherever you, suppose you are written a paragraph 10 lines and your cursor is in third line, and third to till end, if you want to select, then you have to press shift plus control plus end, and wherever your cursor, if you want to select beginning till the beginning of the current document, wherever suppose 10 line paragraphs, your cursor is 7th line, if you want to select one, first, second, third, fourth and 6th and 7th, where is your cursor, and then you have to beta, others can see the Afrin, why you can't beta, maybe your network problem beta, poor network connection, that's why you cannot see. Okay, turn off and again you just disconnect and connect again. Afrin, your friends can see your friend. I have no problem over here beta, maybe your problem, your network problem, others can see. Okay, now next, if you want till the end of the entire document, then you have to press shift plus end plus shift plus control plus end, and till the beginning of the current document, if you want to till the beginning of the current document, then you have to press shift plus, you have to press shift key plus control key plus home key, wherever your cursor in the paragraph till the current document, till the beginning of the current document will be selected, and entire document means whole document, wherever your cursor, that doesn't matter. Suppose you have written a paragraph and that is a 10 lines, there are 10 lines, and wherever your cursor, no need to See that one. If you want to select the whole document, then press the Ctrl plus A, Ctrl Ctrl plus A. If you press together, then the whole document will be selected. Then whole document will be. Hey, what happened, Daksha? What is going on? Others? Shankolo, Nafreen, what happened, beta? What is going on? Follow the class carefully, all of you. Don't do like that. Don't share it. Now, next, you can type the text wherever you want. You can type the text wherever you want to by the just placing the cursor at the position. Wherever your cursor, if you want to start typing from the current position, the cursor positions, from there your typing will start. Start typing the text wherever your cursor, from where you want to start the sentence, you just keep the pointer over there. Okay. Move the cursor using the arrow keys. Suppose you have written a paragraph, 10 lines paragraph, and if you want to move the cursor, second line. Okay, how to move? You all know, using the arrow keys. Up arrow used to move the upward direction, down arrow you have to use to move the downward, right arrow we use to right side. If you want to move the cursor right side, if you want to move the cursor left side, you have to press the left arrow. Arrow keys we use to move the cursor anywhere of the screen. Okay. Undo and redo command. These two command you can see. You can see this is undo. This undo, and this is redo. These two are the command. We can see the quick access toolbar. These two button we can see in the quick access toolbar. We can see these two button, shape button, redo, undo. These all buttons we can see. Ayush Mondol, I cannot see you. What happened? What is going on? Why you cannot see? Others can see. Do you have any problem? Sir, please. Daksha can see, Shankolon can see, Ishan can see, Ayush Mondol can see. Then what is going on? Only Afrin cannot see, maybe their network problem. These two buttons are present in the quick access toolbar. Undo command is used to undo the last action done. Whatever last action done, if you want to get back this action, then we can press undo command. Suppose you have written a text, I love my country. Suppose you have written one text, I love my country. Okay. And then if you delete this sentence. You delete this sentence, it is this and type I love India. I love my country, you have written first time, and then you delete this sentence, and then again you type I love India. Now you want to last line back. If you want to back the last line, after typing this, you just press the undo button. If you press the undo button, you can see the text again, and then back I love my country. To get this text, you can press the undo button. This button is present in the quick access toolbar, and the shortcut key of undo button is Ctrl Z, CTRL plus Z. This is for shortcut key for undo button, and till you get back the desired text, the keyboard shortcut key I already told is undo button is Ctrl Z, and this is redo. Redo command is used reverse the undo action. Reverse the undo action. We can reverse the undo action. We can see we can use the redo button. The shortcut key of redo button is, the shortcut key of redo button, it is Control plus Y, CTRL plus Y is a shortcut key for redo button, and Control plus Z shortcut key for undo button. How to save a document? How to save a document? How you can save a document? Suppose you have typed a paragraph, my school, and you can type anything in a computer. After typing, if you want to save, what we will do? You all know, I hope. First you have to click the File tab. When you open the MS Word, Microsoft Word 2010, you can see there are new tab, File tab, Home tab, these are the tab. You have to click the tab, File tab. In under of the File tab, there is option Save. When you click the File tab, there is option Save. There are different ways are there, you can save a document. Under of the File tab, you just select Save option. Select the Save option, and then when you select the Save option, in the window which opens up, you have to select then where you want to save your documents. My documents, if you want to save in the desktop, you can save any other drive also. So there is select computer, and then click browse to select the folder which you want to save your file. If you want to select the desktop, then select the browse desktop, and then you have to type the file name, and then you have to type the desired name, which name you want to keep for the file. Suppose you write a paragraph about my school, then you can save it my school, then desired name you have to type, and there is a button save or cancel. There are two buttons, you all follow your books, there are two buttons, save button and cancel button. If you want to save, then click the save button, it will save, and if you want to if you don't want to save it, then press the cancel button. Okay, there are different ways you can save. Through the keyboard also you can save. In the quick access toolbar, there is redo undo button, there is shape button is also there. There is a save button is like that. This is a save button, you can click the save button also. When you click the save button, then you can see, when you click the save button on the quick access toolbar, Microsoft Word itself insert, there are three. There when you click the save button, then you just click save button. You can save your document, there are pop menu will appear, there you have to give a file name and save. In this way you can save. And Microsoft Word itself insert 3 or 4 letters. Suppose you have written a paragraph in MS Word. Sometimes you can write a paragraph in WordPad, Notepad. Sometimes you can do something in Paint. Okay. The automatically 3 or 4 letters, the machine, that means the computer itself, can take, which define the type of the text. Extension, that is called extension. If you type anything in Microsoft Word, docx, this is called extension. This is the extension of Microsoft Word. This is the extension of Microsoft Word. It is called extension for document. The extension is .docx. .docx, it no need to type this one. When we save it, suppose you given a name my school, automatically this .docx machine will take, the word will take. If we save any document in Paint, that machine will take that extension. Okay, that we can see what type of file is this. This is a Word file, this is a print file, this is a Excel file, this is a Notepad file. We can find out by watching this extension what type of file is this. Okay, and that, do you know the shortcut key that we Control plus F12. Control plus F12 if you press, then also you can save your document. Save your document. And control shortcut key of the keyboard, Control S. Control S. If you press together, then you can save your document. There are the different ways you can save. And Ctrl S, when you press, you can see command is coming. If you want to save it, then you have to type the file name and save button, click. And note down, if you want to save an existing document again with a new name, suppose you have saved previously, then again if you want to save in another name, then you have to choose file and then not save, save as, which file is already saved. If you want to save again, then you have to choose the save as option. First time choose, if you want to save, then save, and again if you want to save, then save as. Now without deleting the original file, you can use the save as command. Type any name for your file in the file name box and click on the save button. Same process. Then how to printing our document. After typing a letter, suppose you have typed a letter or paragraph, if you want to print this document, you can print a document. Here also you have to click the file tab. Under of the file tab, there is an option print. You just press the print of button, your document or letter will print, but you have to attach printer in your machine. If there is a no printer in your machine, there is no printer, then the machine cannot print anything. If you want to print, printer is required. It should attach the printer in your machine, then you can get a printout. Okay. Then file, select the print option from the menu. You will see the preview. Before printing, we want to see the preview, means how it will print. All the lines are coming or not, margins have or there or not, that means it is appropriate or not. Before we want to check. So print preview, there is preview of your document on the right side of the backstage view. Click on the print. Then backstage, there you can see the preview. This is the backstage view, and then we can press the print again. Then you can print it. And shortcut key Ctrl plus P, save Ctrl plus S, Ctrl plus S for save, and if you want to shortcut key Ctrl plus P, Ctrl plus P. Next page, closing our document. How to close a document? After typing your paragraph, if you want to close your document, there are 3 buttons: close, minimize, maximize of the title bar. You can see from that button of the top right corner, you can see from there you can close, or file. Under of the file tab, there is a option close. Option is save, open, close, exit, print. All the options are available in the under of the file tab. Under of the file tab, you can click on the file tab and then select close option, or click on the close button at the top right corner. Top right corner, there is a button close, minimize, maximize. These buttons are there. If you have not saved the document yet, still if you are not saved, you have written a paragraph and then you want to close your document, then one message will show to you. Do you want to save your document? If you want to save your document, then you have to press yes, and then obviously you have to give a name, file name, and save. If you wouldn't save the document, then no, and if you want to press, there is a 3 option cancel. If you want to cancel, then you can get back the previous the same document again. Okay. And shortcut key Ctrl plus W for closing our document. Ctrl plus W for closing our document. This is the shortcut key. And opening an existing document. How to open? If you don't have the book, can you open page number 19 of your book? If you don't have, same as if you have, if in your machine the file is not there, if you don't save the file, you cannot open that file. If you save it previously, then you can open. That means existing file you can open. Okay. So here is also shape. Click the file tab. In under of the file tab, there is option open. You just click the open. When you select the open, there you can see locate the file by double clicking on the folder, which folder and where your file is there. Suppose it is desktop, you have to choose the desktop, and whatever files on the desktop, all the files will show. You just click it, select it and open. Click on open, just double click on the file. In this way also you can open. And shortcut key of open a file, Ctrl plus O, Ctrl plus O. Okay. Existing a document, how to exit from the document, close document and how to exit a document. Once you have finished the work, suppose you have finished your work in MS Word 2010 and you can exit the MS Word application. MS Word, it is a program, it is an application. If you want to exit from the application, okay, not from that document, if you want to exit from the application, you can press the file tab. In under of the file tab there is option exit and select exit button, and if you have not saved the changes in your document before exiting, Word reminds you to save it. The machine will remind you if you do not save, and after writing a paragraph, if you just want to exit, the machine will remind you, do you want to save your document, do you want to save your file? The machine will remind you. If you want to save it, you have to follow the process. If you do not save, then just no and then proceed. And what remind you to save it, or you can also exit MS Word by clicking the close button on the title bar. On the title bar there is a close button, from there also you can close the, you can exit from the document. Okay. And let us recall, already discussed, you all know that what is extension. There are 4 letters name after the file name that defines the type of text. This is the extension. And cursor is a small blinking line that appears in MS Word document. Okay. Next class I will discuss the book exercise. Okay. For today this much. See you next class. You all will read the chapters in your home, and if you have any questions you can ask me. Next class I will discuss the book exercise. Thank you. Bye bye. Have a nice day. Shankolon, understood beta? Have any problem? Okay, fine. Bye beta. Bye all of you.